definitely do not regret going turbo. And this is the reason I wanted to go turbo. Welcome back to the channel, guys. The weather finally straightened out for me to come out and get a video. Now, I've been driving the car since the dyno, and even in rain and everything else, and the car has been doing absolutely fantastic. Hold on, guys. I got them beside me. I never get rolling shots on my car, so I got them beside me getting some rolling shots. And since they're doing that, we're going to get into a little bit of boost for you guys. One thing I want to talk about real quick, guys, is that since the dyno, we have had a tune revision and we have switched out fuel pumps. When I went onto the dyno, I did not have the Hellcat 525 fuel pump in the fuel tank because everybody was out of submersible fuel line and I was not able to find any. So thankfully, Philip agreed to let me use his DW400 pump out of his car in my car so we could take it onto the dyno and get it tuned. However, we was seeing where fuel rail pressure was not able to maintain desired fuel rail pressure, and it was dropping quite a bit. I've put the 525 fuel pump in, and the fuel rail pressure is golden. We are good to go on that. So that's the things we changed since the dyno. But I've been driving it, even in the rain, I've been driving it anywhere and everywhere, guys, because I wanted to do that so I could give you my thoughts on this kit. And guys, the car drives just like it was stock, except for when you get into it, you got boost. So it's mild manner, it drives great, there's no hiccups, there's nothing crazy. Now remember, I'm still on stock K-member, stock suspension, a lot of stock stuff. So basically what I got is a Hellhorse Performance twin turbo kit using the Comp 6365 oilless CTR turbos with the new turbine design, which flows 30% more, lighter, and spools up faster. So the the car has been an absolute blast to drive. But aside from the turbo kit and the Pypes catback exhaust, that's all that's pretty much done to the car. Of course, when I talk about the Hellhorse kit, it's fuel pump, it's FIC 1000 injectors. We also got a 160-degree thermostat in the car. I can't get over how good it rides. It kind of makes me second guess putting on a BMRK member and everything else. But I know eventually we will do that. One of the main reasons is it does free up room around the turbos. It's a little tight with the stock K member. It does fit and everything works. It's just a little tight. The tires don't like it at all. Guys, these are like about half throttle pulls, and that's crazy, man. Oh my God, the turbo noises, everything in the car. Guys, I'm having an absolute blast driving this car. Just an absolute blast. Did some pulls earlier, and the tires really can't handle it. I cannot wait till we get tires on the car to be able to handle the boost. But man, guys, it's just so much fun. Even on low boost, even on 93 octane, this car is just a blast to drive. And I've been leaving it like in manual mode so I can get in the boost and get out of it. it hits boost so fast with these turbos on it. Definitely do not regret going turbo. This is the reason I wanted to go turbo, is because I could turn it down on wastegate, still have fun on the street, and then take it to the drag strip, turn the boost up, let it loose, let it run down a drag strip in a controlled environment where it's meant to be let loose, and have an absolute blast with the car there. And that's why I love turbos. With a push of a button, I can up the boost and I can roll. So man, I cannot wait to get this thing to the drag strip. So stay tuned. We are going to be taking this thing to the drag strip very soon as the weather allows. I promise you, this past weekend it was raining. The last weekend before that it was raining, and man, I cannot wait for a dry weekend. This past Friday, yesterday, actually the remnants of the hurricane came through over us, and just a ton of rain, thunderstorms, and things like that. So it was not able to get the car out. But guys, I have been driving the car all over the place, in the rain, everywhere else, and I will tell you, there is zero issues with driving this car in any weather. Now, don't go putting yourself in water that comes up halfway up your tires, by no means, but you wouldn't do that, and at least I wouldn't, in a car anyway. The turbos stick right above the subframe. You know, like I said earlier, I do have the stock K-member, so my filters are actually tucked up in the K-member. The passenger side filter has a 45-degree elbow that puts it up in there, and then the driver's side turbo puts it up in there, and absolutely no issues driving in the rain. The car drives, like I said, just like a stock car until you get in the boost, and then it's a wild ride. But guys, I'm highly enjoying the car. I cannot wait to get it to the drag strip and bring you guys that footage. But stay tuned to the next video, because I do have the customer's car that I've been working on in the shop, and we've got a different form of force induction that I have not covered yet on this channel with the Coyote. So I'm looking forward to bringing you guys that content of a little bit of the installation, the first start, and a dyno vid. I'm gonna give you guys all of that in one video, and then hopefully we will be at the drag strip in this thing as soon as the drag strip's open, when it's nice outside, and we will see what this thing does down the drag strip. Because as you know, horsepower numbers don't mean a lot to me. The trap speed is what I look at. So I cannot wait to get this thing to the drag strip. Stay tuned to the channel. Thank you for everybody that's subscribed to the channel, all the new subscribers, all my old school subscribers. Thank you guys for helping support the channel. It means a lot. But guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.